Okay, I'm here at R.Ibarra's Allstate client. I'm going to be doing a repair on this shingle here that you guys had marked as a wind damage shingle. I'm going to prop you up over here. This way. Okay, this is the shingle that we're going to be replacing today with this brand new shingle. You will see me keep my hand on top of the shingles to make sure that they do not reach 90 degrees as well. Okay, so looks like we're going to be doing 1, 2, and 3 here. This, I want to show you this real quick. I was using the roof snake to get this nail out, and as you can see here, it just ripped. I'll get a close-up picture of that, but I still have to get that nail out. But that isn't a shingle that you guys have opened up coverage for, but now it's ripped. So I'll continue to proceed, but just wanted to point that out as it happened. Again, keeping my hand here to make sure it doesn't reach above 90 degrees. That should do the trick. Got one more hiding over here. All right, old shingle is out. Just wanted to point out some of the things that were happening during taking these out. The nails are ripping through the shingle, so as you can see here. There is one here, completely ripped, just trying to get the shingle out, which is what's happening on these shingles here as well. But again, y'all haven't opened up coverage for these, only this panel here. But just wanted to, as I pointed out already earlier, it is ripping. Before I put this in here too, I just wanted to stop. I'd already pointed out the section of where I was doing the repair for that one damaged shingle, which was this one that I have marked up here. But I wanted you guys to take a look at what I am seeing right now. We can already visibly see, you can see the chalk marks here. Those y'all had already had marked up, but look at these now. These are all already becoming damaged during the repair. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the repair, but wanted to be able to point that out as time goes on. New shingle is in. And going back now, putting the nail into the roof snake. and nailing these back in on the nail line. Repair is done. As you can see here, the new shingle is in, but look at here. Oh, look at all of that. We've got, I haven't even wiped away the granules on this, but wipe away the granules from just doing the repair. You can visibly see all the damage. This is absolutely not a repairable shingle at all. This is going to happen across the board. We're going to see damaged shingles across the board with every single repair that is made on this roof. And as you can see, we've got chalk marks over here of the wind damaged shingles. This doesn't even cover the ones that are in the back or on the right slope. This is, as you can see, it's just the left slope and the front, but this is what's going to happen across the board. We're going to have consequential damages to every single shingle that we go to repair. This is absolutely a failed repair. In order to indemnify the insured and bring them back to pre-loss conditions, a full roof replacement is the only thing that's going to fix this insured and bring them back to pre-loss conditions prior to Hurricane Helene. Thank you.